Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable stock. It's quick, easy, and really flavoursome. To get this recipe started, we're going to bring a large pot to a high heat. We're going to add 50 grams of clarified butter. And allow that to melt and become nice and hot. Now that our butter is nice and hot, I'm going to add 150 grams of leeks, 250 grams of chopped carrots, skin on and the ends, 400 grams of chopped onion with the skin on and the roots, 200 grams of chopped button mushrooms, 100 grams of chopped fennel, 100 grams of chopped celery, 30 grams of flat leaf parsley with the root, 3 sprigs of thyme and 3 bay leaves. We're going to fry this off for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you'll notice that the veg is nice and soft and releasing a really nice aroma. We're going to add 3 litres of water. Now we're going to bring this up to a boil and allow it to boil away for 15 minutes. Then after it's been boiling away for 15 minutes, I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and allow it to simmer for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour of simmering away, our stock is done. It's now time to strain the vegetables out of the liquid. And here I have a strainer over another pot. I'm just going to pass it through. And then once that's fully strained, I'm just going to discard off the vegetables. And that's it. And that's how you make a delicious vegetable stock. And this stock is a key ingredient in so many different recipes. And adding the butter at the beginning just gives it that little bit extra richness. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button right now so you can learn all the best recipes, tips, tricks, and secrets. Please like, share, and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.